Hello friends, I am AM. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Dell OptiPlex 780 series desktop this drive not found error. Okay, let's start the video. Now go to setup and select here drive option. Now you see here this is our boot sequence. Now go to start option. This is legacy. Okay, now go to drives option. Now fix this issue here. Now check here, our hard disk is connected in SATA 0 or SSD is connected SATA 1. SATA 2 is now empty. Now disable this SATA 2 option, uncheck this. Now click on apply. Okay, now click on exit. Okay, now check error. Now I am power on this PC. Now you see PC is now starting without shown startup error. Okay, now Windows is working fine. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.